we step onto the golden shore. The song is fucking
Of course. Yes, I can hear you. Fucking straight to it. Oh my god, look at all this. Oh, look at the doggies. I'm just looking at the roller coaster. Yeah, do you want to go on the Merry Rose?
Absolutely not.
Why not? I'll watch you.
Watch me.
Yeah, I won't go on it. You're on your own. Oh shit.
It looks like sheep.
That's really nice. Yeah? Don't worry, I'm not filming you. Okay, now I'm going to film you. Have a bite. Yum. What? What the fuck is that thing?
to Locksbottom. I've seen the Mayday bike run pretty much every single year. I've never actually done the Mayday bike run. It's always too busy. It's really busy on the road. Where's the horses? So I said to Joe, let's go do it a couple of days before Mayday. Let's see what's like. See what's about. The majority of this ride won't have any commentary over it because I still don't have a microphone. And if I go above 30 miles an hour, the wind gets too much on the camera for me to be able to say anything that you'll hear. We don't have Locksbottom yet though. But if I see anything interesting, I'll include it in the video. Oh, so cute. And we've already done Mayday, as you saw at the start of the video, but we haven't actually done Mayday because today is 2 days before Mayday, when we're actually doing the run before Mayday, if that makes sense.
Wonder why they call it Mayday. The distress call. Wonder why it's Mayday. It's only a bank holiday. Why not Shrove Tuesday or Ascension Sunday? Ascension Sunday. Ascension Sunday. The 15th Wednesday after Pentecost.
I saw that. That's right.
Ow, my bum.
Okay.
Yeah. The middle one there.
What?
Middle.
Oh. Right, Locksbottom to Hastings. Yes dear, Pratt's Bottom, child. Give me a petrol station. Looked like I had petrol. Son of a bitch. I need petrol.
Sainsbury's normally has a petrol station, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does say. So we go back out and along there, I guess. All right, cool. That's all I needed to know.
Give me a sec, though.
Yeah, that's fine. We're nearly halfway home.
Okay. Rub my butt.
Good.
I thought you were going to do it like that. So we were like,
Oh, well, like that.
like that. So we were just like,
You let me know when you're ready.
okay. I'm ready.
Okay, let's go get petrol. Do you fucking mind? How do I get into it? Come on, let's give way to the right. Fucking move. My bike is thirsty. Oh, crusty eyes.
Next pub, next pub, next pub, next pub, next pub.
I don't have it with me. It doesn't matter. Stupid. No, stop when it clicks. Stop. She angry behind there. You good? Do you need help?
Finally!
Stop hitting me with your gloves. Stop it.
I'm ready.
Get on then. This bit. Back to where I came or that way? We'll go back to where I came. There she is. No! Oh, what is fucking wrong with you? Have I not smelt enough cow shit?
What? Grab my bum. Lower.
So weird.
What?
Nothing.
The Burger King.
Yeah, you did see a Burger King.
Burger King. Athleticism.
Don't fucking go serious mode on me.
Itchy nose. Oh, buggers.
Oh, fuck off.
Can't hear ya.
Mwah. Pose. I have no idea what that looked like because I'm staring at my phone and I can't turn it the other way around because it doesn't pick up all my fingers.
Because I'm listening to.
You listen to Star Wars?
Yeah.
You in that pocket?
I know!
Ever?
Ready?
Yeah. Good?
Yeah.
Not everyone. Down to the seafront, but I think Joe needs to go home. You would have seen all the footage from down the seafront in the earlier start of the video. Earlier start? Earlier part, which is that way. We go this way.
Charity shop.
Yes, 2 charity shops. Joe loves her charity shops. Yeah, I know, that's why we're going home. I was going to go to the seafront, but we're going to go home because your bum hurts. Yes, I know your bum hurts. So we're not going to go down there this time. But we'll be down there in a couple of days, which will be the bit that you've already seen. This video is going to be so fucking confusing. But we're going to sign it off here. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Thank you for watching. Blah, 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 blah. If you've liked, comment, subscribe, sign away your soul. Oh my God! Ride safe! Get on your bike! And we will see you next time. Ciao for now.
you